guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have an audience in the room.
Woo!
George is in my beauty room and he's just here for moral support because I am on my 4th video filming today, and yeah, I'm on a roll and I just want to get this one done. Today I am bringing you a video that you guys really seem to really like. It's like a very specific kind of video. Today I'm bringing you the products I'm excited for spring 2020. Based on my Instagram feed, I already have a few things in mind that I really want to get. Some of the things are already here. But before we get started, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. I am going to screen record so that you guys can see exactly what I am talking about. So here, you guys know the drill. Going on to trend mood, and then we're gonna click on the first picture and just go down her feed and see what's coming up. Now this collection I am super excited for actually, because it just brings all those spring vibes that I love. I love a good seasonal theme. It says this is the cutest collaboration. Absolutely. It is based around her daughter Stormy, and I believe they're all mini sizes of her normal products, which is so cute. Usually I'm not excited about these high glosses, but this time I am. They look really, really cute, and the colors look really wearable. Born This Way. Ooh, a new palette. It's nothing new. It's nothing that I haven't seen before. Looks pretty basic. I feel like Too Faced eyeshadows, they're not as good as they used to be. I remember them being really high quality, and now it's just, I don't know what happened. So let's move on here. I've never heard of this brand before. Kiko Milano. Their packaging is so cute. Ooh, that reminds me of the Kat Von D Lolita palette. This palette looks really pretty. I wonder if they're gonna be able to hear your little clickety clacking in the audio. Oh, so it's like a whole collection. Wait, are these? Is this a drugstore brand or is this a high-end brand? Because the prices really range from one another. I guess it depends on what it is. Maybe it's like a mid-tier brand, but their stuff looks really, really pretty. These compacts remind me of like the 90s compacts, or the compacts that Stila used to use. This is really pretty, but the Norvina collection from Anastasia Beverly Hills has so much already that I want to try for spring, which are the 3 palettes, I believe, the 3 huge palettes that came out during fall that looked totally spring appropriate before I tried this one. But this one looks really pretty. It looks like you have really nice pops of color. It's cute, but it's not my first choice. What the?
What?
Etude House is coming out with a Hershey's collection. What? Candy. It's an eyeshadow palette. A Hershey's eyeshadow palette, you guys. 2 mini eyeshadow palettes. The Creamy Milk Chocolate palette and Cookies and Cream palette. Those actually sound kind of fun. And then 2 powder rouge tint. I don't know what that is. And 2 eye brushes. Ooh. Oh my god, they look so cute. That's cute, but this packaging right here, I don't know. I mean, I like the brown one. That's so funny. I do like the shades in the actual palette though. I am yet to get a mystery box from Jeffree Star. I don't know if I ever will, to be honest. There's just too much that goes down with these mystery boxes. Like, I feel like a lot of people are mostly not satisfied with them. This I have seen on my feed because I follow Natasha Denona, but these 3 lip glosses, lip balms. But yes, this is from her Valentine's Day collection, her Love collection. I am so interested in this. I think it drops tomorrow actually. But the lip glosses aren't really doing that much for me. They do look pretty, but again, they're not my first choice when it comes to spring makeup that I'm excited for. And then Maybelline. Oh, it's an Asia exclusive, so it's not even here. Now this, I have the Bronze and Glow palette, and I have the, what is the other one? The Bloom palette as well. And this one I kind of wanted because I want to add it to my little collection. Yeah, they're just super cute, and I really enjoyed them last year. So it's like a shimmering rose gold, red coral. But yeah, this is super pretty. And look at this packaging, you guys. Look at this freaking packaging. There's glitter inside of this packaging. This doesn't call my attention at all. This looks really bland, really boring. And this, like I said, this is on its way to me right now. So I bought it on Friday. By Friday night, it shipped out. So I should be getting it any day now, which is super cool. That's crazy fast shipping. But I'm just so excited about this because this is the new Latte 2 palette. And by the time you see this video, I have already tested out the original Latte palette, which I've been telling you guys that I've been wanting to get my hands on this little palette right here. And I finally did, and that's what I have on my eyes right now. So I wanted to review this one before I got the Latte 2 in, and it just looks so pretty, especially for spring, with those 3 pastel pops of color with your neutral tones and your shimmers. So I am so excited to get this in my hands as quickly as possible and do a video for you guys. Oh yeah, and I did get the 2 lip glosses as well. And then Glow Recipe is dropping this new lip balm. They're calling it the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. It says you can apply 3 coats to build up color, but it's clear with a soft hint of pink. And it's gonna retail for $22, girl. Oh, it's actually a scrub to balm. Ooh, that's interesting. So it smooths, hydrates, and tints lips with a universal pop of pink. Watermelon and coconut extracts. It sounds amazing. And Chase, what? A new refreshing setting mist by Fenty Beauty. It can be used under makeup or over makeup. The Love palette by Natasha Denona. I cannot wait. Yeah, it's just stunning. I love it. It has purples and reds, golds. So pretty. Can't wait to get my hands on it, as always. Okay, let's move on. Aww. Look, babe. Because it's the year of the rat. That's so cute. I can't wait till it's the year of the rooster. Like, yeah. You can make a mouse, you can make a rat look cute. How do you make a rooster look cute?
It's not going to be the year of the rooster until...
I know. It just passed in like, what, 2017? George is a monkey, you guys. Totally. Totally, dude. You know what? NARS can kiss my... You know what? Eyeshadows, they're no bueno, no bueno. Okay, there's a lot of things that are repetitive on here. The Amrezy palette. Now this one hits a little different and not in a good way, because I feel like it's all the pre-existing Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes in one. Even though some people are like, no, they're different. I'm like, I see a little bit of every palette literally in here, whether they're shimmers or they're mattes, I see them. I mean, I can see that it's a little different, but it's just the format. I think the only thing that's different in here is that it's 16 shades instead of 14, or is it 12? It looks pretty, but again, it's not my first choice. It's not, I'm looking for stuff that really excite me. Do you see how pretty these look? These just look very soft and very pretty, especially this reddish, pinkish looking one right here. The butterflies are a nice touch. Very pretty. I love this packaging. I feel like Kylie Cosmetics packaging has been very boring lately, but nothing has really excited me in the last year or so, aside from her holiday collection that just passed, and a few other things here and there, but nothing to make me really, wow, I have to have this. When high-end clothing brands try to go into beauty, I feel like they get it wrong more often than not. So I never really get too excited for them, because I feel like most people that review this stuff end up saying that they're more gimmicky than anything, and you're paying literally for the brand name. So I'm just not interested in wasting my money like that. But what do you guys think of Makeup Geek's new rebrand? I feel like they're trying to go for the minimalistic, it's working for a Viseart type of stuff. I totally get her new motto though, when she said in her rebrand video that eyeshadow palettes have kind of lost a little bit of that magic, because it's like fast fashion nowadays. Once this palette is out, the new one is coming right after it, and you don't get that time to really enjoy that palette, to really enjoy those eyeshadows, because something cooler or something better has come by. I've been feeling that for like, I don't know, like a year now. All last year, that's all I felt like. I feel like brands were just throwing whatever they could at the consumer, just trying to get as much money as possible. And I mean, don't get me wrong, from a business standpoint, that's great and all, but it doesn't really give the consumer that much time to enjoy the magic of whatever product is out at the moment and something that they invested their money into, you know? I do agree that we need to be a little bit more conscious of what we buy. That's why I pick and choose. I'm super picky of what I want to buy, what I want to put my money towards, because if I'm not, in general, if I'm not excited about something, I just don't get it, because just for the purpose of reviewing it, unless you guys are like really asking me to review a certain product, or I know that you guys like certain types of videos, if I don't really like it, I'm not just gonna get it for like the heck of it. So I really do like this concept. It has been done before, but I want to know what you guys think. What do you think of the rebrand? What I'm not liking is these prices. This new matrix system, these are some Natasha Denona prices. So you have the matrix palette. It retails for $125, and then there's a mega matrix that's $219. Girl. And then the 9 eyeshadow pan palettes are $32.99. Like I said, very up there, like La Mer type of stuff. And then individual eyeshadows are $5.49, which that's still pretty expensive, but if you think about it, you are getting exactly what you want in one eyeshadow palette. But that is a huge commitment, because I feel like if you buy this, you won't have money to try other things, as much money to try other things. And I mean, they're going in the bland route with this clear plastic looking palette. Okay, this liquid powder oil balancing serum with French pink clay. You rub it on as a serum, and it's supposed to turn into powder, and it's supposed to mattify you and keep you balanced throughout the day. I don't know how I feel about that. I know some people use powder under their foundation to help with oil control, and the price of it is a whopping $54. So have you guys ever seen these Hourglass lipsticks in person? I feel like they are such a huge waste of money. Literally, you get like this much lipstick and it's super thin. For 2, you are paying $72. Absolutely not. Blendifuls, I just did my review. Go check it out. Click on the eye or click on the description box. Go see my thoughts on the new Blendiful. Hummingbirds. I've never heard of this brand. Chanticale. I'm really interested in this one. Chanticale. I think that's right. Chanticale. Let me stop. This pressed powder in this quad. That's super pretty, but they're really expensive. Okay, so the quad is $72 for these tiny little eyeshadows, and the perfect blur finishing powder, $80. Another thing that I already have is the full frontal mascara by Fenty Beauty. I'm actually wearing it right now. Stop looking at my eyes. Go watch that video. Oh, this is so cute. So I think that's it. I think we're dipping more into holiday 2019 in here. Yep. That is all for today's video, just in time because my phone is about to die. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Let me know what you guys are excited for spring 2020. Leave all your suggestions down below, what things I should try. Maybe I missed something that you are excited for. Also, we want to do more giveaways on this channel. So what beauty products, what brands are you excited for this year? What do you want to see me give away on this channel? Let me know all of that down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.